If you use an iPhone, you've probably seen the App Store. But what exactly is the App Store? How does it work? And how can you use it safely? In this video, I'll explain everything step by step. What is App Store? The App Store is Apple's official app marketplace. It allows users to download apps, games, and updates on iPhone and iPad. Who created App Store? The App Store was created by Apple Inc. and launched in 2008. It completely changed how people download apps on smartphones. How to download apps 1, open App Store 2, tap search 3, type the app name 4, tap get or install 5, confirm with Face ID, Touch ID or password free versus paid. Some apps are free while others require payment. Free apps may include ads or in-app purchases. How to update apps. Go to App Store, tap Profile, scroll down, tap Update All. App Store. Safety tips, check app ratings and reviews. Check app ratings and reviews, download from trusted developers. Avoid fake apps. Don't share Apple. ID password. App Store settings you should check. Go to Settings arrow, App Store. Turn off automatic downloads if you want control. Enable app updates on Wi-Fi only. Manage subscriptions. The App Store makes it easy and safe to download apps on iPhone. Now you know how to use it like a pro.